Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. I am here with the important question answer you asked. I welcome you on Let's Learn question and answer. So our main question for today is: this workbook will be used by people with Excel 2003 only. Save it in the best format. Those users allow the compatibility issues. Correct answer is: for users with Excel 2003, it is best to save the workbook in the XLS format. This file format allows for compatibility with older versions of Excel and prevents formatting and functionality issues that may arise when using newer file formats. By saving the workbook as an XLS file, users with Excel 2003 can access and work with the workbook without encountering compatibility problems. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Learn Question and Answer so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.